Want to have easy access to your favorite contacts using the Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy and you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. First of all, from your settings, you tap on the display option, then you scroll down to Edge panels, tap on it, and then you go to panels, tap on the panels, and you can see right now it is set to apps. Now I want to have access to my favorite contacts, so I'll tap on people and I'll disable apps. Then I tap on edit. This way I can put the favorite contacts I want to have easy access to. So let's say I want to have easy access to this, and that's it. And if they're not among us as a contact, you can select contacts at the bottom here, and you have access to all your contacts, and you choose the one you want to add. And once you're through, select done. You can have access to at least 8 contacts at the minimum. So once you're done with this, you click on this arrow here to take you back. And now when you pull out the Edge panel, you have easy access to all your favorite contacts. That's all it takes to have easy access to your favorite contacts using the Edge panel of Samsung Galaxy. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.